Sawdust flies, the air is thick. Rotten wood, a risky pick. But in my mind I see them clear. Two foxes waiting to appear. Chainsaw hums a steady beat. Carving lines can't be beat. With every cut a glimpse of flesh. Foxes emerge from the ash. Rotting log falling apart. But the vision's in my heart. Foxes dancing wild and free. Waiting to be set free.
I did not mess this up right here. This was just bad wood. I cut it out and I just glued in some good wood, so that's it.
I don't have to tell anyone.
I have to tell everybody everything. Also, I don't know. They kind of look like foxes.
They do not look like foxes.
She says they do not look like foxes, but they kind of do, so I'm just going to keep working at them until they really do.